Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about mean, median, mode, and range. Okay. First example, if we have 2, 4, 6, 4, 8, 4, and 9. Okay. First step, you have to write the numbers from least to greatest. The first least number is 2 and then 4. How many 4s we have? 1, 2, 3. 4, 4, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Okay. First step is to write from the least to greatest. Okay. To find the mode, mode is the most frequent number. Here the most frequent number that comes is 4 is coming 3 times, right? So mode is 4. Is it clear? Mode is the most frequent number that occurs. Frequent number that that occurs. Okay. What is median? Median, we have to find the numbers from least to greatest and the middle number will be median. So when we write the numbers from least to greatest, the middle number is the median. So here we have three numbers, here we have three numbers. So middle number is 4. So median is 4. Okay. What is range? Range is equal to bigger number minus a smaller number from the sequence. Okay. Bigger number minus smaller number from the sequence. Okay. So what is bigger number we have here? Which is bigger number is 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. So mode is the most frequent number that comes, and median, we will write the numbers from least to greatest and we will find the middle number. Here in this case, we have only one middle number. So median is 4. Range is bigger number minus a smaller number. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. Now to find the mean for the above sequence 4, 4, 6, 8, 9, right? To find the mean, we have to average all the numbers. Mean is nothing but add all the numbers divided by how many we have. So how many we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So now 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, right? 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20, right? 20 plus 8 and 9 is 17, right? Over 7, which is equal to 37 over 7. Okay. You can write it as a fraction or a decimal number. Is it clear? We will leave it like this. Okay. Now coming to the second example. The second example we have is 1, 7, 3, 4, 9, and 7. Okay. Is it clear? So what is mode? Mode is the most frequent number that comes. In this example, 173,497, right? So 7 is coming more often, right? 2 times it is coming. All the other numbers are coming only once. So mode is 7, okay? What is median? To find the median, we will find the numbers from least to greatest. What is the least number? 1, 3, 4, 7, 7, and 9. Okay. If you see in this example, we have two middle numbers, right? So because we can these two and these two. So median, when we have two middle numbers for median, we will take the average of those two. So median is 4 plus 7 divided by 2. Okay. which is 11 over 2. We can leave it as a fraction or you can write it as a decimal number. Okay. Now to find the mean, what you will do, we will add all the numbers. So 1 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7 over, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Look at the addition the way I'm doing. I'm taking 1 and 9, which is 1 plus 9, we know 10. And 7 plus 3 is also 10, right? 4 plus 7 is 11 over 6. So mean is 31 over 6. Okay. Mean is 31 over 6. What is range now? The range is nothing but a bigger number minus a smaller number, right? Bigger number minus a smaller number, right? So what is range now? What is the bigger number in this question? 9, and the smaller number is 1, which is 8. Okay, mode is the most frequent number that comes. Median is we have to write the numbers from least to greatest and find the middle number. If we have only one middle number, median is that number. But if to have two middle numbers, you'll add the two numbers and divide it by 2. Mean is you will add all the numbers, and if we have 5 numbers, you'll divide it by 5, and if you have 6 numbers, we'll divide it by 6. The range is bigger number minus a smaller number. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I gave you a clear idea about what is mean, median, mode, and range. In the next video, I'll explain about quartile, interquartile range, upper quartiles, and lower quartiles. Thank you.